Hi there and welcome to Cedar Palms, number 971 to 73, Cedar Road in the ever sought after Palm Cove area of Cairns. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully renovated, double garage. The bathrooms are amazing, the kitchen's amazing. Come on through, let's take a look. So townhouses with double garage in Palm Cove are really rare, but to get one with a brand new kitchen, even rarer. So look at the beautiful high ceilings, creating great airflow for those hotter months. But come outside and let me show you the jewel in the crown. Out here, guys, it's almost like having a house. Huge back garden. You got the pool right there, loads of grass space, perfect for pets and for family.